Hi, it's Gayatri here. Today I'm sewing a paintbrush case with buttons on it. So let's go. So over here I have three pieces of fabric. These two are 12 by 17 inches. This one is 7 by 17 inches. I have some sewing pins and two buttons here. Taking the smaller fabric on one of the lengthier sides, I'm going to fold the fabric as such and sew it. This is how it looks after sewing. By placing the right sides together of the bigger fabric, I pinned the top. I sewed up the pinned part. This is how it looks after sewing the top of the smaller fabric and aligning it with the bigger part of the inner fabric. This is how it looks after aligning the three fabrics together: the pouch, the outer section and the inner section. Now I'm going to stitch two sides of the fabric as shown. After stitching three sides of the fabric, I'm going to turn it inside out. I folded the excess fabric inside and I pinned up. Now I am going to sew all the four sides. This is how it looks after sewing all the four sides. This is how the stitch looks up close. Make partitions as per as you need and sew them. This is how I made the partitions and this is how it looks. For making the band, I took a fabric which is 13 by 5 inches. By folding the fabric in half and placing the right sides together, I sewed up the fabric as such. You can make the band as you want. I made an arrow shape. After sewing, turn it inside out. Just like I sewed the case, I am going to stitch all the four sides of this fabric to enhance the shape. As I forgot to add the band before, I unstitched the fabric as per as the band and I sewed it again. So please add the band before. This is how it looks after putting on the buttons and making the buttonholes. I changed the buttons because they were not the right size and they didn't suit the fabric. Make sure you stitch the button in the right spot as per as your buttonholes and in the right way. This is how it looks after I kept my brushes in. Now I am going to roll it up and secure it with the buttons and the buttonholes. Make sure it's tight. This is how the final product looks.